Hey guys, my name is Edith. Welcome to my channel where I post random everyday videos like mom life, day in the life, cleaning, cook with me. But today we're going to be doing a playroom makeover. I hope you enjoy. Don't forget to subscribe. So we got this cubicle from Facebook Market, and that's where we were trying to put it in the car. We broke some of the pegs. We were able to go to Ikea, and they have like missing parts, or I forgot what it's called. Customer service has an area where you can request extra pieces that you may have be missing from one of their pieces. And they asked us how many we needed. We gave them a number, and they gave us some. So I didn't know they had that. So we got this. It's a 16 cubicle, and we're hoping to fit all the toys in it. So I'm gonna rebuild it. We had to take it apart in order to fit in the car, and now we're putting it back together. Some of these broke, so I'm gonna take them out and replace them. So this is where I'm at right now. I'm having a little bit of trouble because the screws at the end are not what is it called? Dang, every time I get on camera I don't know what the hell I'm talking about. So the screws are worn basically, so I can't unscrew them to take this piece out and just put them in. So when I'm putting these longer pieces in, which is a divider between each cubicle, I have to kind of like push this one out a little bit, but I'm scared that I'm gonna mess up where the screw is, and I've already messed up 2 of them. So these are one of the ones that broke, so it's not going in right here. It's not going in at the bottom, so I'm gonna try to take this one out, put it at the top, and hopefully it connects. Okay. Just using these pliers to take them out. Come on. Struggle. I had to take it out, both of them, and luckily it had another little hole where I could put the pegs. I removed all of the pegs from these so that I could just put them in through here, which may be easier. So let me show you. I'm getting the worst angles, sorry. And sorry about the noise in the background. Okay, so I'm gonna try to line them up and just put them in. I just noticed that some of them are shorter. My camera's dying, of course. I have these shorter ones. I just realized that some of them are short, which I don't know where those would go. Let's just pray that we have enough. Okay, layer 1 down. Whew, baby. I'm gonna put the second set of shelves. So, show you. See here, these, it broke here, so I'm just using the pliers or whatever these is called to pull it out. Okay, there's another one here. I'm looking to make sure that I put the, messed up areas towards the back the show. So I was just about to put this piece here. And after struggling, I was going to realize that I have to put these pieces. So good thing I caught it. This is really a blow. Because I was trying to put this one in. These came out. Now I can't get it back in. Oh, God. I got this for $50 on Facebook Market. And I swear, I would rather just get it new from Ikea and just build it from scratch. Because not being able to take the bottom part or this part, these two sides out, if I could have taken this one out, I would have been able to like stand it up, put the pieces in, add this one and then the top. I'm sweating. And I've been on this longer than I should be, literally. So it's in. This is ridiculous. So what I'm doing is I'm waiting till I connect these on the side to put these in. Makes it easier. If it can't go in, I'll use the end of this. It's kind of soft so it won't damage it. Ow. Okay, I'll do it later. Okay, so you'll know it's lined up when this no longer moves side to side. Okay. Okay. Okay, so here we go. Here we go. I'm gonna go see if I can find my camera battery. Hopefully it's charged so I can keep recording on there. And I can use both my hands. Can't find my charger. Lesson of the day. Put your shit where it belongs and then you'll always find it. So right now I'm just here. I'm gonna add the other shorter shelves and then the final piece. And then I'll finally be done with this shit. Okay. Okay, so I'm almost done. It's too heavy for me to lift up to be able to put these two screws at the ends right here. So I'm gonna wait. I need some help to put it up. Once it's lifted up, I'll put the finishing screws. I'm gonna show you one more time what the playroom is looking like. So if you remember the last video, I had used these cubes to organize by category the different toys. The way they play, they take everything out. So I always wanted to get this cubicle, but I didn't have enough of these to put all the toys in. So hopefully these 16 cubes will be enough, and everything I have its own little organized the cube. We're gonna have to implement some rules in the playroom because there is no reason the playroom should be looking like this. If I was able to clean it up last time, everything had up space, even though I didn't have the cubicle, it was neat. They should be able to maintain it as well. So I'll be using Canva to create some rules. We're also, because there's so many colors going on right here, we are gonna get black cubes because my office is gonna be here. So I just need a little bit of calmness between the playroom and my office. so that going into my office, I am gonna have white, black, and gold, so it'll be like a nice divider. So yeah, this is what it's looking. Okay, I charged my camera. We're back. You're gonna excuse the hair. I'm wet plopping. That doesn't matter. So we moved the cubicle over after struggling. I was able to build it. The kids helped me organize the toys a bit, and now I'm just trying to figure out the layout. So got the cubicle here. I want to set up a homeschool section here, and then from the cubicle on is going to be the playroom. We switched the layout of these because the kids were saying, the girls were saying it was more comfortable to play this way. And then let's see the mess that we still have. These are 2 garbage bags. This is filled with dolls. And just all of this. This bin we haven't even gone through. So yeah, this is what it's looking like right now. These are not the permanent cubicles. We're actually going to get some black ones just to tone it down a little bit, especially because homeschool is going to be here. So we're going to use the black just to calm it down a little bit. This, I divided it. So the first 4, I have what I use for homeschool. And then the rest is like little art supplies that they can use whenever they want. Up here is a whole bunch of coloring markers, crayons, glue sticks, coloring pencils, scissors. This we got from Ikea. We've been had this, but it's more for the kids to play with. And then I found a whiteboard in Goodwill for, I believe, $5. So this I'm probably gonna put up here. Yeah, so we have all of this we gotta put up. This is supposed to be where I put my office desk. So I want to create, that's why I wanted to put the homeschool area here, especially if my work desk is gonna be here. Then we have this painting that we got from Ikea for $1. It was perfect because there's 9 cartoons and there's 9 kids. And then we have this frame we also got from Ikea. This door, we're gonna ignore it. It's for a future project. But this is what it's looking like. I'm gonna finish this on my own because the kids had started getting distracted after a while. So they were just gonna make it more difficult. So I'd rather do it myself. Okay, this is the update. As you can see, the floor is mostly cleared off. Kitchen area. This bin we haven't gone through. This one here. This one has baby dolls. Corner with the houses. And then the cubicle, which is gonna hold most of the toys, is still not as organized as I want it, but so far so good. So let me show you the breakdown for the cubicle. Okay. So the top is gonna be for the older girl. She can have her toys up here without the little one touching. And then these in the middle, which is gonna be everybody's toys. The bottom, I'm gonna have a Play-Doh section. I have some board games. Gonna be a sensory section with like the fidgets. And then a slime section here. Up here we're gonna put their cars. And again, these are gonna be black cubicles. Here, show you. The girls wanted to switch this layout from how I had it set up in the last video. And there's like a little section here that I can't push this all the way to the corner because then it's going to compromise them being able to play with this section of the house. So what I came up with is they have this little park, Barbie park. So we're going to get some fake grass and create like a little park section right there. And then, yeah. So, like I said, here, I have a desk downstairs, a little table I'm gonna put here. And this whiteboard is gonna go here.